moved from Cricket Island to Long Island today. We woke up 3 a.m. and then finally now it's 4:30. We just finally arrived here, the beautiful spot.
Yeah, so we left Crooked Island, now we're heading to Gordon's Bay on Long Island. As Tom said, it was a super early start, 3 a.m. Unfortunately, we had to motor sail, but that's the way it goes sometimes.
Unfortunately, we couldn't get fish this time, or next time.
Our cat is so smart because he knows what goes around comes. This morning, I upset my wife, but boss knew that we got into My friend is so fat. When she sits around the house, she sits the house. Boss, what noise does a car make? Boss, sing us a song. The wheels on the bus go. Look at that. Unbelievable. Such an amazing kitty. Good morning. We are leaving Long Island. We are heading to Exumas, Georgetown, through Long Cut, and we're going to go through Hog Cay Cut. We have the time high tide to get through the cut. We're going to be going through some very shallow, rocky water to get through here. Challenging. I've never done this type of sailing before. We're motor sailing because we have to make this one zone, Hog Cay Cut, by 11:15 for high tide. Then we can be an hour before, an hour afterwards. We also want high tide getting into the area that we're going into because it is very shallow. So that's what we're doing, and it's 3 a.m. Just pulled anchor and we're heading out. Tomoko, what is the ocean trying to tell us? If Jack Bauer was a sailor, we're running out of propane. We're running out of gas. We're running out of food. Rocks. All these are rocks over here, and this is our line that we gotta stick on, or else we will be doomed. Shipwrecked. It's pitch black outside. We have to maintain 5 knots as well. Very important to get to the area that we want to get to. Currently at 58 feet of water. Oh, our boat knots is working now. 48 knots. We got a current against us, and we are traveling with 8.5 knots of wind behind us. So that's good. Autopilot's on, and of course our trusty compass, always on 69. Should be on 16. 16, always on 16. Boss is on seasickness medication because he threw up on my side of our bed last night, or last passage. So now he's not allowed downstairs when we're on passage, and he has to get drugged up because otherwise he throws up. Poor guy. Just doesn't have the stomach for it anymore. Now we're getting ready to enter into Long Cut, which is a very shallow seabed leading to Hog Cay Cut. We're past the first couple of rocks here. This whole trip is going to be basically us going past rocks. Getting ready to go through Hog Cay Cut. A little bit nerve-wracking, as you would expect whenever you're going through a narrow passage, because you've got tides and stuff like this. We're in 12 feet of water right now. We're going to go even shallower. We're going to go to like 7-8 feet. That's the Exumas right there. Over there is Long Island, but you can't see it, and Thompson Bay as a backup failsafe. But we're going to go through here. Always reassuring when you see other sailboats going exactly the same direction as you at the same time. It means that you haven't messed up your times. So there's there's two sailboats ahead of us heading through to go through the cut. So by the looks of it, we've timed it perfectly because these guys are doing it. And I wish we were a little closer so I could see their path, but I just gotta be thankful that at least they're there. Currently we're in 8.2 feet of water, 8.1 now, 8 foot of water. We've got 2.5 feet under the keel. We're at high tide, it's 3 feet, so I think we should be okay. A bit nervous. There's also a strong current coming through here, so I think it will all be over here pretty soon, but you know, it's always nerve-wracking going through stuff like this.
Are we going to?
I don't know today, but we will stay at Georgetown for a while, so we can. This narrow spot, the name is Hog Cay Cut.
It's Hog Cay Cut.
Now the crossing.
We made it. That was pretty cool.